In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a card.co template. By the end, you'll know how to start a new card site from a template, make quick edits, and publish it live in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and head to the card website. If you're prompted, sign in so you can access your dashboard. This is where all your sites live and where you'll begin the process of copying a template into your own workspace. From your card dashboard, look to the top right and click New Site. This opens the template gallery, which is the easiest way to start with a polished layout and structure without building from scratch. In the gallery, browse through the categories like Profile, Landing, Form, Portfolio, or Sectioned. Each category suits a different goal, so pick the one that best matches what you're creating. Take a moment to preview templates so you can see how they look and flow on the page before committing. Once you've found the one you want, click Select. Card will load that template in the builder, effectively copying it into your account so you can customize it as your own. Now it's time to edit. Click any element you want to change, text, images, buttons, or backgrounds, and you'll be able to tweak it on the spot. Think of the template as a starting point. Keep the parts that work and update the rest to fit your content and style. When you select a text element, you'll see text options appear on the side panel. Here you can adjust the font, size, alignment, weight, spacing, and colors. This is the quickest way to align the template with your brand or project, so take a moment to make it readable and consistent. After choosing the right options for your text, click Done to save those changes. If you need to revisit any section, just click it again. Card makes it easy to iterate without losing your place. When your edits are ready, click Publish at the top right of the screen. You'll be taken to a panel where Card gathers the final details needed to put your site online. Enter the details of your work here, such as a site title and a short description. Double-check your URL settings and review any basic preferences shown. Keep it concise and relevant so your site looks good when shared. Once you're done, confirm to publish. Card will generate your live page, and you can share the link right away. If you spot anything to improve, just return to the builder, make your changes, and publish again. And that's it. You've successfully copied a card.co template and launched it as your own.